Hi, welcome to the Three Sons Foods YouTube channel. I'm your host Luke, and this is our lovely assistant Aiden.
Hello.
Today our mom decided to stop making food for us, so we found this under the fridge. We're not going to be making that today.
No, it's not how you open something.
How do you know that?
Okay. So, we don't need the cocktail sauce because we have Diablo Verde.
Ah, it's squishy. Jeez.
Which heat level would you want?
We're going to preheat the oven to 400
Oh,
and
okay.
something degrees, which we are currently doing. And the heat level for the Diablo that we're going to do is mild, because I don't like any other heat level.
Grease the pan.
We did grease the pan, but luckily we can figure that out later.
They're all falling apart.
Should we spread out the grease? Does that help?
Just
Oh, these are squishy.
they're
Are
falling
they-
apart. Okay.
No,
Not right now.
Close it.
Afterwards.
Okay, they go after.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, alright.
No.
So we have now preheated the oven. No, we have not. It's
Wait, why is there
preheating
only-
the oven.
Okay, wait.
We need one more. So if you have OCD like he does, I think,
No,
then
I'm good.
you're not gonna like this. Additionally, we don't know what else to do because the oven hasn't preheated because it's just full.
It's
It's a
good.
convection oven, so
We can put it in right now.
we can put it in right now. That's what they said. So, okay, set them on fire, please. Good job, Aiden. You did good, kid. Since they're now on fire in the oven, we are going to wait a certain amount of time. 16, right? 16 minutes. Place them on for 16 minutes, and then take them out. And they should be cooked and ready to eat. If they are not, then you did something wrong, and you should try it again. And it's done! Hi! So it's so take it out of the thing now, and just... There we go. Oh wow, that smells amazing.
Smells like red
Smells
lobster.
great. So, yeah, it smells like Red Lobster. Wait, have we been to Red Lobster?
Nope.
Are we allowed to talk about Red
think
Lobster?
this
I
was-
feel like we aren't. We should probably cut this whole part out. So as you notice right now, we're taking it out of it. That's because we need to, because it seems fairly hot. And then from now, we need to move it from this thing to the plate, and the best way to do that is to use tools.
It's not working? Oh no.
Ooh, nice premium crab cakes right there.
Okay. Here. 1 second.
It's a crab cake
Oh, that
crab
one's
casserole.
Yay!
Let's put the good ones in front.
Let's put some cilantro on all of this.
Ah.
Ah. Ah. Put one in the middle, Aiden.
Right here. Thank you.
It's like a shovel.
Okay, that's the.
Looks beautiful. Okay, so we are now going to place our Diablo of choice in the little thing, right? That little thing. So, do we just do that?
Mm-hmm. Maybe use a spoon, Luke.
Oh, a spoon. That makes sense.
Okay.
So,
Right?
yum!